Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. It is a beautiful day, but we are deep into September, so it's time to get our window boxes and flower boxes ready for fall. In the spring, I decided to plant my window boxes with dwarf sunflowers, so I used sunflower seeds, and I supplemented the boxes with marigolds, vinca vines, and spikes. After about a week, I could clearly see that the seeds were starting to sprout. Within 2 weeks' time, the sunflowers were getting heads on them and started to bloom. But now that fall is arriving, it's time to replace the sunflowers with some fall mums. Before transitioning the boxes, I stopped watering them for about 3 days to let the sunflowers dry and die back. Then I deadheaded the tops off of the sunflowers. But I'm not discarding them because they are full of seeds. So I'm going to harvest the seeds out of these flowers so that I can plant them again next year. The vinca vines and the spikes are still good, so I'm not going to discard them. Instead, I'm just removing the marigolds and the sunflowers, adding some fresh potting soil, and planting the mums. In the containers in front of the house, I planted geraniums this spring, and I supplemented those with some Dusty Miller. By the end of the summer, the geraniums become leggy, and there's really nothing that I want to salvage from these boxes. So I'm going to take everything out, supplement the soil with more fresh potting soil, and plant asters. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and in the comments let me know if you'd like to see more gardening videos. In the meantime, become a subscriber because we are going into soup season and you don't want to miss those recipes. Join me again next time here at Home with Anita Rosner. Thanks for watching.